Hello my lovely friends, you're super welcome back to my channel, channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're new, you're super welcome. Alright guys, please check below, you see the subscribe button, click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you a simple homemade remedy of how to get rid of belly fats. You know, all those fat that are making you not to wear what you're supposed to wear. You know, after this video, you're gonna rock all your outfits very well. Let's jump right into this video. So I have here with me onions. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use onion to burn belly fat. So I'm going to be making use of these tiny pieces here, and I'm just going to go ahead and grate it right now and form a very nice paste. Here is my paste. So what I'm going to be needing now is just to measure 1 tablespoon of this before moving ahead to the second ingredient, which is Colgate toothpaste. So I'm going to be needing 1 tablespoon of Colgate toothpaste as well. Please guys, ensure to use the white Colgate toothpaste. You know, that is what I use in most of my videos. I personally prefer this one. I use this one for my own self because it's hotter than the other one, but you have to use the white paste because that is what is friendly to all skin types. So guys, what you do basically is to massage it on your tummy just like I'm doing now, and I assure you that you are gonna get amazing results. So after applying this, you're going to go ahead and wrap your tummy so that it will generate enough heat to melt all belly fat. So you can actually beg someone to help you wrap your tummy if you cannot wrap it very well yourself. Most times I wrap this myself. I don't wrap it very tight, so you need someone to help you wrap it very well so that you can stick to your skin and then generate enough heat from the mixture and also from the wrapping to eradicate every belly fat. So guys, go ahead and try this, and I assure you that in 3 weeks you should be able to get visible results. You can go ahead and wait for like 30 minutes before rinsing off. Alright my beautiful people, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next videos.